In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited passive daily profit from copy trading other crypto traders. So now the platform we are going to be using is called BingX Exchange. So BingX Exchange is a very popular crypto exchange company, and they have a beautiful copy trading platform just like those of other popular crypto exchanges. So BingX Exchange, just like your Binance, your Bybit, BitGet, Gate.io, is a fast rising crypto exchange, and I've done several videos in the past about BingX Exchange and how to use the platform. So but this particular one, we'll be talking about the copy trading platform and how you can use it to make $100 daily profit for yourself. So now the first thing you need to do is that if you don't have an account on BingX, then you have to create an account on BingX, and I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video that you can use to sign up an account on BingX. And when you create an account using my link in the description, you'll be entitled to 20 USDT trial funds, which you can actually use to trade on the copy trading platform, or even futures trading, or even spot trading on BingX. So once you've gotten your BingX account, you are going to log into your account just as you are seeing on my screen here. Then you are going to come to, okay, before you come anywhere, you have to of course you would have gotten some money in your spot wallet or your futures wallet on BingX. So if you want to do that, you simply come under this my assets here. It's where you are going to be able to deposit USDT to your spot wallet or your futures wallet. So now for us to start trading on the copy trading platform, you simply come under this side here. All right, you see this copy trading, you just simply click on copy trading. Okay, so the BingX copy trading platform has fully loaded. So one beautiful feature I like about the BingX copy trading platform is that it's so user friendly and it's so fast and easy to understand. Unlike other crypto platforms that you start and you have to learn, like use a day or two to master how the platform is operating. On the BingX platform, within the first few minutes that you start playing around the platform, you just simply understand the basic concept of what they are offering you. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to search for traders that are going to be trading for you. But before I talk about that, let me just explain how this copy trading works. So copy trading is just a simple social trading program on various crypto platforms, whereby you as a trader or investor, you do not have the time or the technical knowledge to analyze or to trade on the crypto market. So you are simply going to copy, or you are going to imitate the trades of other crypto traders who are well available, who are able to trade and make profit from their own account. So you are going to imitate their trade, you are going to copy their trade. So if they place once you start copying them, any trade they place on their account will be automatically duplicated in your account, because the platform has already designed the system in such a manner. So if they make a profit from their trade, you are going to make a profit on your trade, and if they make a loss in their trade, they are going to also make a loss. So what you need to do when you get to the copy trading platform, as you are saying, is that you have to now look for the right and the best trader to look out for, because on the copy trading platform here, and if I scroll down, there are hundreds and thousands of traders who are already trading on the platform, and BingX have given us a very beautiful interface for us to search and look through the performance of each and every trader on the copy trading platform. So we are the one that's going to make the decision or the choice of a trader that we're going to follow. We make that decision by ourselves. And of course, before I proceed, I want to also give a disclaimer that this particular tutorial is not a financial advice, and neither am I directing you to select a particular trader. So I'm just offering you the basic knowledge that will enable you to make the decision yourself. So the decision you take when it comes to selecting or choosing or picking any particular trader is 100% your own assessment, or is your decision. You come here on the copy trading platform in BingX, you can copy traders for futures trading market and also for spot grid. But for this particular tutorial, I'll focus on the futures trading, because that is where most of the action is taking place. So now if we scroll down a bit, you will see that BingX has ranked the traders on different criteria and category. So now if you look at the top here, it says trending traders. This trending trader simply means traders whose performance have been eye-catching for a particular period of time. So they are just trending for that particular period. So I'm going to show you how you can search for the various important factors to consider before taking a trader. But let me just come down again to the next table here. So you see this next table here, BingX says conservative traders. So this conservative trader simply means traders that you can copy from them, but they are on a very low risk, very low risk. The risk in their account is so low, meaning that the probability of them losing their entire money is almost zero. So that's what you are seeing here. You see conservative trader. You can see the return on investment after 180 days is just 32%, though the profit or the return you get from this kind of traders is very low, so low. You can see the next one here, return on investment is just 8% after 180 days, and you can see this one 19% after 180 days. So their risk is so low. They are using a very low portion of their capital. So if you just want to come to the probably you are just new, or you just want to save some money and you just want to earn a little interest, then probably you can go for conservative traders. So let's come to the next category here, and you can see the next category says rising stars. So these rising stars, they are traders who are showing some excellent actions or some very eye-catching performance on the platform, and some of them they may be using a very high leverage, or whereby they are making such a very high profit over a very short period of time. So you want to pay attention to this table if you are the kind of investor or trader that wants to copy from this kind of trader, and you are looking for very quick profits from a very short period of time and not minding the risks to your capital. Then you want to look at these rising stars here. If you look at this rising star, you can see the 7 days return on investment for this particular trader is 24%. You can see, and look at this one here, 7 days return on investment 17%. So these are the various factors you need to consider, and these ones are not just the rank traders. You can always click on this see all here and you'll be able to see all the traders who are under this rising star. Then finally, if you come down to the bottom, you see this all traders. This all traders here, this table here simply means the ranking of all the traders on the quick copy trading platform on BingX. This is just the general ranking that combines all of the rising star, the conservative, and the trending traders. So all of them are ranked here, and if you want to check them out, you can just check them out here. And if you want to see, you can see we have page 2, page 3, page 4, up to page 3 to 4. So you see that this platform BingX, they have hundreds of traders that you can choose for your copy trading, and all you just need to do is just to choose the best trader that will be able to allow you to make a consistent profit. For example, look at this trader here at ease. You can see his 30 days return on investment, he has made 7,000+%, and just for a 30-day period. So you want to check this trader if you want to copy with this trader. So now let's just, guys, I'll be taking you straight to the traders for us to just know the factor to consider before selecting any trader. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll just pick a random trader here and we'll just analyze his performance. So let's simply just click on this particular trader here. Let's just say this suspect guy, okay? All right, so you can see we've entered a particular trader's profile. So you can see BingX has provided the profile of this trader for us to check. So if we are satisfied with what we see about this trader, we'll just simply copy this trader. So once we start copying, you just simply click on this button here and you copy. So once you start copying the trader, any trades, any future trade that the trader places on his account is going to reflect on your own. And what you must know is that these traders you are seeing here, they are also going to make a commission from the profit they make for you. So that is what you must know. That's the advantage of copy trading for them, and that's why they are a lot on this platform. So you want to go for a trader that is going to be profitable for you, because you're going to pay him a particular commission for every profitable trade he makes for you. And the commission on the platform for the copy trading is between 8% to 10%. So you want to be aware of that. So let's just come down a bit before we make a decision on a trader to take. All right, so now on the BingX platform, if you want to copy a trader, you can copy a trader on BingX using your BingX standard futures account or a BingX perpetual futures account. So what I always, for myself, I use the BingX standard futures account. So but when you start using the platform, you also know that the perpetual futures is an advanced form of the standard futures account. So now if you want to come down, you see this is the trader profile here, and you can see the first information you are seeing here is trading data. So the trading data is just the entire performance information about this trader. Then you can see the next one you are seeing here is the current position. So current position simply means that if the trader is presently on any ongoing trade at this time of this video, and you can see I clicked on it, you can see the system says no record, and you can see the trade history. Trade history simply means the previous trade that this particular trader has made, and you can see I've clicked on the trade history, and you can see that the previous trade that this trader has made, you can see that he has made the last trade he did was US USD, okay, and you can see he made a return on investment on 19.95% for the entire funds that he's trading on. And you can see the copier that traded this copier simply means the number of copier, that's traders like us, investors that copied this particular trade from him. And you can see this is the copiers and the total amount of profit that all the copiers, the cumulative profit that all the copiers made. So you want to check this trade history for you to know very well about the performance of a trader. Okay, the next field is the copiers. All right, so this copier is just the number of traders who are copying this trader. You can see these are the various traders who are copying this particular trader. So let me just return back to this trading data side for us to get more information about this trader. All right, so you can see this trader here. You can see the 30-day return on investment, 53.73%. This is the profit he has made on his assets in the last 30 days. And you can see this cumulative earning simply means the entire profit he has made on the account. That's the entire profit that he has made on his account. And you can see the next field is account assets. Account assets simply means the total balance on this particular trader's account. You can see that this trader, his account asset is 3,404, meaning that this is the balance on his standard futures account, meaning that he is trading with his own money. So you are rest assured that yes, this trader has $3,400 of his own money that he's trading on. And you can see the copier profit. Copier profit simply means the entire profit that copiers have made after copying trades of this trader. And the copiers of this trader, they've made $6,900 in profits. This will show you that this trader is profitable on the long term. And you can see the copiers. Copiers simply means the total number of copiers who have copied this trader over time cumulatively, 1,344. So I'll just be going further a bit. Then this risk simply means this risk is a factor. It's a factor of 1 to 10. So BingX has set the risk in a way that for every trader you are copying, they set a ratio of the risk of the trader account. So that ratio is 1 to 10. So the higher the number, the higher the risk that this trader takes on his account, and also affecting all the other copiers who are copying this trader. So you want to look for a trader that the risk factor is low or tending towards 0 or 1, because the higher the number, the higher the risk. So that is just what you need to know. Then look at the win ratio, 78%. What this means is that this trader, he has a winning ratio of 78% profit for all the trades that he has made, and he has made a total trade of 1,073 trades, and he has won 839, making 78.19%. So this just are the various information you need to know about a particular trader. So because of time, I don't want to take too much time. Look at the leverage median. This leverage median simply means that this trader his median leverage for every trade he takes is 5 times leverage. So you must understand what leverage means before you start doing copy trading. So I always recommend that you shouldn't use a leverage more than 5x or 10x for your futures trading account. So before you copy any trader, make sure to set your leverage to very low. So I recommend using 5x leverage or maximum 10x leverage. So there are other information I want to just show you about this trader, and you can see the graph of this trader after the last 30 days. You can always filter the graph to see the entire lifespan of this particular trader. So this is the return on investment, and you can see more information here for us to see You can see this trader, top trader, the major asset he trades. He has done a BTC. He trades 31% of his trade are for BTC assets. He also trades on gold. All right, he trades on APT. Then US 500. I think this will be an index asset. Then other assets he trades 25% on his account. So you can see these are just the various performance information you need to consider before choosing a particular trader. So now let's say you've seen the information about a trader and you want to copy that trader, or you want to start following that trader. You simply come here and click on copy. Okay, before I click on copy, let me just show you this feed. So this feed is just if you click on this feed now, it's just for you to see the comments and information from the various copiers who are copying this trader. So that's why I like the BingX platform. Other traders who have copied this particular trader, they have the opportunity to post their review, comment about the particular trader. So you can come to this feed, read about the different experience from different traders who have copied this trader, and for you to know what their experience is like. So once you've equipped yourself with enough information, then you want to copy a trade. Then look at the trader. His location is Spain, and you can see he joined the copy trading platform on the 20th of June 2022. So almost a year now he's been on the platform. So this is another factor you must consider before choosing any particular trader. So let's say we have seen this trader and we are satisfied with his performance. If you want to copy the trader, you simply just come here, you click on copy. All right. All right, you can see I've clicked on the copy now. So before we copy, there are some important settings you must use before you copy a particular trader. So this trader now is using fixed margin to trade for us, and is using fixed margin and isolated margin. So there are some other traders, if you want to copy them, you will notice that they are using copy with a cross margin. So you want to consider that when it comes to your future trading, you want to consider whether you should copy a trader who uses cross margin or a trader who uses isolated margin. But for me, I'm always okay with copying a trader that uses isolated margin. Okay, so the margin type here is USDT. This VST simply means virtual USDT, which is a virtual account. So BingX has what we call demo account. If you want to start doing copy trading and you don't want to deposit your real money to your BingX account, you want to first of all use a demo to see if this platform is the best for you before you commit your hard-earned resource. Then you can use what we call VST, which simply means virtual USDT. Okay, so the next feed here is the margin. So how much margin are we going to use to copy this trader? So that will depend on your account balance. So for me, I have some money in my futures account. So you can see I have 100 USDT in my future account here. So I'll just use let's say I use $10 to copy this trader. So what this thing means is that for every single trade that this trader is going to place for me, I'm going to give a margin of 10 USDT to copy that trade. So even if the trader is opening series of trade, for every trade that he opens, I'm only going to use a fixed margin of 10 USDT. And you can see my USDT balance is 100 USDT. So you can always set the particular margin you want to use to copy this every trade of your particular trader you are copying. So I'll just go next. Okay, so you can see this portion here, take profit and stop loss. So this is very important. If you want to control the trades by yourself, of course, when you are copying a trader, if they set the take profit and stop loss from the trader they place on your account, the take profit and stop loss, it will also reflect in your own side because you are copying them. But if you want to use your own take profit and stop loss, then you can set it by yourself. So if you want to do that, you just simply scroll down. And you can see that the first field here is the TP ratio. So if you want to set your TP, so you can simply select 50%. What this thing simply means is that if the trade is already in a profit of 50% of your margin, remember our margin was 10 USDT. So if we have made 50% of that 10 USDT, meaning that if we have made 15, if we've made $5 on that and you set 50% as your take profit, then the trade will be automatically closed once our 50% profit is achieved. You can set 100%, you can set 150%, but for me, I always leave the TP and stop loss field blank because I always leave the trader to be in full control. But you can always be in full control yourself. So if you want to set anything, you can always do that yourself. Then the next field is the stop loss ratio. So you can also set the stop loss. So if you want to set your stop loss, let's say your trade that the trader opened for you, let's say is in a floating loss, and the loss has gotten to, let's say, 50%. Let's say your margin has now reduced to $5 or $6, which is 60%. Then if you set it, that means your trade will automatically close. Even if the trader has not yet closed it from his own end, it will automatically close based on the stop loss ratio that you set on your trade. But for me, I always leave the TP and stop loss ratio field blank. I always allow the trader to control by himself. All right, so let's just scroll down again, and risk control. If you come under this section here, you see maximum copy amount. If you set this feed here, what it simply means is that if you set a particular figure here, let's say I set 50 USDT here, what it means is that I'm using a margin of 10 USDT for every trade that the trader opens for me. If the trader has opened 5 trades for me as at a particular time, and we have 5 ongoing trades, which means I have used 50 USDT in my ongoing trade copied from this trader. If the trader opened any future trade, it will not be copied to my account because I don't want to exceed more than 50 USDT in my total assets for ongoing trades in copy trading from that particular trader. So that's the purpose of this figure here. So I usually set an amount here based on my entire account balance in my futures wallet. Then if you want to set the daily copy amount, daily copy amount simply means the total amount of the asset that you want to copy from this trader for a 24-hour period. So my margin for every trade with this asset, with this particular trader, is 10 USDT. If I want to set a daily amount, let's say I want to set 60 USDT, what this means is that for a 24-hour period, I don't want to use more than $60 worth of my asset to copy trade from this trader until the next day is met. So once 24 hours is met, then I can, then the amount will reset. So I don't want to use more than $60 to copy trade from this trader for a given 24-hour period. Once you've set all these fish settings yourself and you are satisfied with everything, then you just simply come here and click on copy now. All right, so you can see I've copied this trader. You can see copy success. You can see copy success. So guys, you can see this is exactly how you copy a trader on the copy trading platform on BingX. Now you can see the system is rolling, meaning that it says waiting for the trader to open positions. So whenever the trader opens a new position, it's going to reflect here under the position here, that's the current position, it's going to reflect. And you can see that our margin for any single trade that the trader opens is 10 USDT. And once the trader starts closing trades and start making profit for us, you will see that our earnings will start reflecting here. Now guys, if you don't want to copy this particular trader, or you've seen another trader that you want to copy, probably you are more excited by the performance of that trader and you want to copy that trader and you want to stop copying this trader, you simply come here, you simply click on stop copying. All right, so now you can see the system says confirm to stop copying. So now the system will ask you, do you want to close all the entire ongoing position? So if already the trader has opened some position for you and you want to also close those positions, then you just simply take yes. But if you want the ongoing positions to be closed by the trader, if when you stop copying it, then you take no. But for me now, there is no ongoing position, so I just simply take yes and I click on confirm. So guys, you can see we have stopped copying that trader, so we do not have any ongoing trader that we are copying his trade. So this is just how you use the copy trading platform on the BingX exchange. So guys, I always advise that you do your research properly to check each and every trader on the performance page here, so you can go for the right trader before making your final decision. So guys, I hope you've gotten information from this tutorial. Please, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please support us by liking the video and support our channel by subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon beside it so you'll be the first to know whenever we post any tutorial, awesome tutorials like this from us in the future. Thank you for your time guys, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.